What's up, YouTube? It's Nishi here. This is like my 1000th take, so just bear with me. I'm just going to go ahead and bust through this. So today we're going to be going over certifications, or the certification that I want to go towards for cybersecurity and penetration tests. So I guess my background, don't mind the mess. But my background, I'm currently in IT. I do some cybersecurity stuff as well by my job requirements. So let's go into the screens. So I decided to go for the Pjpt. Why I decided to, because I thought the topics that they covered was the best for what you're paying for, and currently I think the best junior certification at the moment. You can pay for everything. I believe it's $200 for everything. But you get 25 hours plus of training. You get one exam and then one retake, which is great. The actual test itself is 2 days. You have 2 full days to do your penetration testing and then 2 days to write your report, which I think is really great. So I'm currently going through the PEH, the Practical Ethical Hacking course. And so far, I've been enjoying it. I'm just actually starting to get into the scanning and hacking and exploitation part of it. They did a lot of refreshers. If you're brand new into IT, it'll be good. They teach you how to note take, just start learning about networking and setting up your lab and all this, which I thought was really good. So why I decided to go with this was because compared to the EJPT, the Pjpt, bro, they sound so similar. It's kind of ridiculous. But the EJPT does not cover Active Directory, which I thought, for me personally, I'm a system administrator. I think for my job, this would be really good to learn about like hacking into Active Directory and what I can do to mitigate that. So that's why I decided to go with the Pjpt for my personal choice. And also, you only have to pay one fee for getting the training. Well, that I'm aware of, I could be wrong. You have to pay for a subscription for the EJPT and their training and everything like that. And I thought for baseline and just like starting up, this is a good certification to get. So other certifications I know that are really good. Hack the Box has one, which I heard this one's the most complete and is actually really good, and which would also help you with the OSCP from what I've been reading. I could be wrong. I read a lot of Reddit posts and everything, so take it with a grain of salt. I thought this is really good cert, but me personally, I hate reading big posts or big wall of text. I'm not about that life. The OSCP is like the baseline standard of just starting your career, which I thought was interesting. Because just looking at this roadmap, I know there's a lot of information, but Paul Jeremy, this is a great website. I'll put it in the description. But this basically is like where to look at for what you're wanting to do for your career in IT or cybersecurity or anything like that. They have different domains. So it'd be security operations, and then they have the beginner, intermediate, and expert certs. So like the CEH, I'm actually about to take a boot camp for this, but the CEH and the Pen Test Plus, which are really big known or well known, or I don't know the Pen Test Plus is that well known, but they're more standardized. But the thing is that they're not practical. So if you're wanting more practical experience, you probably want to get the EJPT, the Pjpt, the PNPT. They sound so similar, bro. It's kind of crazy. But the PNPT is just a harder version of the Pjpt, okay? And they give you a little more classes that you have to take, or courses for being able to take the exam and not failing. The GPen is also a really good course from my understandings, but SANS is just super expensive. I think it's like $10,000. The test is $1,000, but the training required for is like $800 or $8,000. So that's really out of the picture for most people. So I think the PNPT or the PJPT are the best way to start if you're looking for that. And then the OSCP, which is like the baseline, is what most cybersecurity professionals say is the baseline to get into like actually pen testing and all that. For me personally, I'm really interested in this field, and I just want to learn as much as possible. The current certifications I actually hold is I hold the Security Plus, I hold the CCSK, and then I hold the CAS Plus, which is like a light version of the CISSP. But yeah, that's what I currently have. I kind of want to learn more about the security operations sides. But yeah, I guess CH is really good for HR. People in the actual field look down on it because they don't teach you anything practical. It's all theory based, and it's just not that good. I mean, people might think I'm crazy just saying that it's good for theory, but it is what it is. It's good for HR. Get it if your job will pay for it. If you're just looking to get like that interview, this would help. But yeah, I guess that's my takes on the cybersecurity certifications. I know CH just recently released a practical one. I thought, yeah, certified practical. Yeah, there's a practical one. Which is interesting. So if you're looking for a practical, this could also be one too, which is another one of their certs. But yeah, just to recap everything, because I got a little lost myself from ranting. If you're looking for HR Clout, CH is HR Clout. Actual learning, EJPT or Pjpt, depending on what you want to go. Either one are good. I personally just want to learn more about Active Directory, so I went Pjpt right here. PNPT is also really good. It's a good step up. And then I heard, I could be wrong, the CPTS is really, it covers a big spectrum, and I'd say it would lead into the OSCP really well. So you can do that into the OSCP. OSCP is like baseline usually, and then you go from there. Yeah, this is just an overview and what I chose for getting certification. I'll link a post below with my blog that I'm starting back up. But yeah, this is a video to that. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.